Career lesson number 10. Last na to. You have to own your career and don't wait to be discovered. Huwag mahiyain. Marami pa rin yung ganun ang mindset eh. Gagalingan ko na lang. Sana mapansin ako. Mapapansin din ako eventually. Tapos kapag hindi ka napansin, sama ng loob mo. But here's the reality, hard work is not always visible unless you make it visible. So kung gusto mong umasenso, you need to take ownership of your career. Mag-set ka ng clear goals, i-track mo yung achievement mo, at huwag kang matakot na makipag-usap sa boss mo. No? I'm ready for more responsibility, boss. What should I work on next? Yan yung mga tanong. Hindi ito sa pagmamayabang, ha? Ito ay isang strategy. Kung may sarili kang business, di ba ima-market mo rin yan? Di lalo na kung sarili mong career. It's your career, it's your business. So don't wait to be discovered, be intentional, be visible, be vocal. Kung hindi mo ipaglalaban yung career mo, sino ang gagawa niyan para sa'yo? So if you have reached this point from career lesson number 1, ay nakumpleto mo na yung buong lesson. You may download yung ating career lessons template sa website ng ExecuServe. And I look forward to hearing from you if you were able to make progress with your career